check this beauty out. It's just amazing. Look at the micarta. Oh God. Look at the blade. Check this out. I've been having so many compliments about this at work just because it looks like a velociraptor claw. And actually, it's pretty awesome because you can use this in so many ways, which is amazing. So this one is the Lacerta 04L. It's made of Stonewatch 14C28N steel, and yeah, how you can see, it's in a blue micarta, and it just looks amazing. Look at that. It's just great. Like the finish on this thing, it's amazing. Look at how well this thing is constructed. The clip is just perfect for a pocket knife like this. The grip, it's actually really good with the micarta, and once you open this thing, you can see right there, look at the jimping. It's everything. It's just so well made. These guys actually think on a lot out of this design, and yeah, you can have like an amazing grip with the jimping right there, or you can actually use it reversed if you want to, you know, cut something like that. Such beautiful blade. Build quality, the materials used here, like the micarta, like it just looks so freaking good. Like every time I take this out, like somebody's like, dude, what is that? It looks like a velociraptor claw or something like that. And it's actually pretty good for opening boxes or any task that you need like a super sharp, pointy, you know, because being like this, like slashing through the box is a lot easier than a normal blade. So yeah, this is made, by the way, by a company called Trivisa. I don't know why I didn't say that before. So here you go. They make amazing knives. Go check them out. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check them out. But yeah, all in all, it's amazing. You can use this as a multiple roll knife. It's a great folder. You can put this in your pocket. So yeah, all in all, this is an amazing knife, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think about this unusual shape. If you will use this in different ways or for self-defense or anything, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, all in all, I think it's an amazing find.